What's up, everybody? That's the waterfall, Caballo, the horse's tail. Alright guys, this is the horse's tail. The waterfall is up there, having a great time. We got to climb up some steps up here to get to the top and see some more stuff. Alright guys, we finally made it to the top where the waterfall's at. Took some pictures with the family, with my sister, my nieces, and having a great time up here at the Horse's Tail Waterfall, or in Spanish, Cola de Caballo. Now go check out this beauty. Now what they got here, they have this sort of rail system, which is like a zip lining contraption. And I think me and my sister are planning to go down it and hopefully grab some amazing footage for you guys. All right, so we see you later. Holy cow. Here we go. We're going down the line, and I'm going backwards, guys. Oh, picking up speed now. I can't get myself turned around. Oh my. Somehow we ended up outside the park, and now we got to walk back to the parking lot. So much fun.